So I just dug some holes for this outdoor shower. I'm going to build a backdrop, kind of a little bit for privacy and to hang stuff from. So that's what this video is going to be all about, is the second part of our outdoor shower. So because the soil is a little loose, I'm going to use cement. You don't necessarily have to use cement. I dug the holes just a tad over 2 feet deep. I just don't want there to be movement, so I'm putting in some cement. So I just use one piece to measure the distance in between. I'm going to alternate on both sides, so it's not a full board. It's gives it a little more visual appeal. You want to make sure you have a good straight board to be the one that you put in between. I didn't have that, and so it was a little while. So I had to change the plan a little bit because the whole point of this was privacy. And when you're uphill looking down, you can see right through the spaces. So I made this area solid, and then as you'll see in the video, the other side I still did the spacing every other. So this will also give me a better surface for putting on, like I want to put a little place to put soap and put some little hooks, so that way you can hang things here while you are showering.
I'm going to use these architectural screws because they're more laggy, but they're going to show more. All right.
We measured and wrote it on the board so we know where to line it up. We're using structural screws to provide more support.
You ready for this?
Yep.
This one you do have a choice. You could flip it over directly. If you can go that way, you can just roll it. You want to make sure you feel confident in your board here. Look at the same height each other.
Yeah, well, I leveled it, so. Great. .44 3/4. Remember that? Hopefully this side is the same. Look at that, 44 3/4. Okay, gotta cut a board. If you find my videos useful or entertaining, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.